Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now by adding your site as a property in Google Search Console. You choose domain or URL prefix depending on coverage. I recommend domain for full coverage. Verify ownership immediately using DNS-TXT for domains, or upload the HTML file, or use existing Google Analytics for URL prefix. Once verified, upload your sitemap. XML so Google knows your structure. This speeds discovery. You do this now to unlock indexing tools and site reports, making subsequent steps faster and clearer. Next, inspect representative pages with the URL inspection tool to see if Google can fetch and render them. If a page isn't indexed, check robots. TXT, noindex tags, canonical links, and redirect chains, these are common blockers. After fixing issues, request indexing for individual URLs. Meanwhile, submit your sitemap in the Sitemaps section and watch the coverage report for crawling and indexing errors. Make sure to resubmit after major site changes so Google reprocesses new content. Finish by monitoring Search Console reports regularly. Coverage tells you which pages are indexed and why others aren't, and performance shows search traffic trends. If indexing fails, check for manual actions, server errors, and slow responses. These block crawlers. Use the removals tool only for urgent takedowns. If problems persist, test with live URL inspection, review server logs for Googlebot, and verify mobile rendering because mobile-first indexing matters. These checks help you find root causes and resolve them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.